Hello, my name is Yujia, and I am a part of the Marshfield Hosa chapter. But the Marshfield Hosa chapter is a part of the secondary division, and our chapter number is 16055. For my clinical specialty skill, I am in a role of a medical examiner, and I will perform the Y-cut. So before I perform the Y-cut, I make sure my tools are all sanitized and I have put on my personal protective equipments. And after the body has been prepped, I will begin the Y-cut. First, I would take the belly of my scalpel and make my first cut from the shoulder area, where it is the clavicle region down to the sternal region. And then I will do that the same on the other side. Then I will have my third cut from the sternal region down to the umbilical region. After that cut, I will then use the heavy knife to cut the tissue apart and flip up the skin up over the neck and over the chest carefully. It is important to go layer by layer to fully expose all of the internal organ without any damage. Once the organs are exposed, the Y-cut is finished.